Hi guys. This is OneTable team. OneTable is an application that can help you combine datasets like a breeze. Let's say we have multiple tables from multiple Excel files and sheets. Some even have multiple tables on a single sheet. Step 1. Open the file folder and select files and sheets that you want to combine. Step 2. Set up the header structure. This is a two-level header structure. Set row start to 1. Set the row end to 2. And then set the common word that appears in tables that you are aiming to combine. You only need to set the header structure one time. You don't need to do this at every table. Step 3. Render column names. The multiple level header will be flattened as a single level header. From this summary, we can tell there are 5 files, 6 sheets and 7 tables. Column names that appear in all tables are on the left-hand side. Column names that didn't appear in all tables are on the right-hand side. For example, column account name is called account name in some tables, and ACC name in others. The mapping tool comes in handy to do the column mapping. Press Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on Mac to select all the columns with the same name. Hold your Control key on Windows or Command D on Mac to select the rest. Then you can peg them all to the mapping area by renaming all of them to account. Apply this technique to the rest of the columns. You then have your inconsistently named column names unified. Step 4. Generate output file. Congratulations! With only 4 neat steps, you just combine datasets that have multi-level header structures and inconsistently named columns.